Hello everyone, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whenever you're seeing this video. So let's start today's session. I will be trading in this screen and this is my MacBook screen. So I have another monitor which I am rendering my paperweight.com application. Let me share my screen first. Yep. Hopefully my screen is visible guys. Alright. Then let me tell you the picture first. When you see the picture, market, I don't know what happened to crypto market guys. Crypto market is doing insane. It's basically reversed from what it is trying to do for the past couple of months. From May, as you can see, this is the highest point 82,000 that happened in May, and market fall miserably um, till this point, till 16th August. And I don't know what happened, like May, June, July, August. For 4 month market went actually fall and then went in the consolidation phase. Now market is somehow it got some kind of pump. Now it is going in the up direction. Nobody knows what is happening. People are buying insanely actually. So as you can see, the couple of candles of the past few days is extremely bullish. So the probability of going in the up direction is extremely high guys, but we have to be a little bit careful because these candles are uh, making upside and downside in the both directions, so market can be little slow at the smaller time frame like hourly or 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame, because there's, and then the reason being market is actually approaching to its high, and there might be sellers who might start. First thing, there might be a seller, and second thing is these buyers might start booking their profit, and at the same time that can also invites new sellers in the market. This is 4 hour time frame candle. So it is showing us a good sign that market is going in the up direction. Yeah, this is at hourly time frame. Though we can't, though the previous candle is quite good. That is indicating the market will go in the up direction only. And there is this area where support is present. So this is 15-minute time frame candle. Nearby selling zone is this, which market has already crossed. Okay. Let me see, if I find opportunity to take risk, I will take the risk. Though still market is consolidated in sideways direction, so this is quite a tough situation that I can take a risk on. Because market can do anything as of now. We'll see. We'll see what market will do. Let's give some more time to the market because the direction is not clear right now. Um, In the bigger time frame, in the larger time frame, what is happening? Market is bullish. For the small time frame, you can see that market can easily take your stop losses. So in the small time frame, the direction is not clear actually. So we have to wait a little bit more in order to get the direction settled down, so we can have a good trade in the direction which is actually the market is moving. Same scenario in the gold as well. Gold has fallen a lot for the past couple of months. Now market is retracing back to its original position, and same bullish candle for the past couple of days. Now market is making another move in the direction, and right now it is pausing. The present day candle is actually the candle name of this candle name is what is this candle name? Are dozy candle actually. So market making dozy candle, which means it is confused whether to go in the direction or not, and that is like normal behavior of the market. That market move in the one direction, then take some pause, then start moving again. So pause means that buyers starts booking their profits, big buyers, and that gives the opportunity for the new buyers to enter as well, because when they start booking profit, market take a pullback, and pullback is basically a discount for the buyers who wants to buy again. So it's a win-win situation for both. So market travels in a zigzag pattern, not in the steady pattern, like going in the single direction only. So we'll see. And Bitcoin, as I told you, by looking at this candle, we can't jump because market can take a pullback as well. And the reason of pullback is that this is a selling zone actually. In the smaller time frame, on the shorter time frame, you can see that market is at its selling zone. Though market is trying to break the selling zone, and the probability that market can break the selling zone is much higher. But this is not the entry point, guys. This is not the setup for us. So we waited a little bit more. We will punch the trade wherever we find the highest probability of success. Will not punch here and there. So let me show you the overall. So this is my winning trade. These are my losing trades. This is the brokerage that I already spent, and my order history, as you can see, guys. This is my order history for the past couple of orders. Mostly on red, but the red number is low, not that high, so easily recoverable. Let me show you the pagination functionality as well. Yeah, this one is quite a big loss, but other than that, my losses are very small. Though I'm not able to produce profits as well, that is a bad thing. I don't know why this winning streak have never been started. um, so it's been a quite long time since I had a good winning streak. Sorry guys, I got a call from my home. Okay, so this is actually the first try to break this green zone, second try, third try, fourth try. Now this is the fifth try, guys. So if it closes in downstairs, then I will be happy to jump in the downside actually. But the more important thing is how this red candle is gonna close. I just punched the order. I just waited for the green zone breakout, and now green zone breakout uh, seems to come. I will hold my position, though my stop loss is really small. That is $42 only. And okay, this might be a false breakout as well, guys. So my stop loss is now $27. It's very minimal. Auto not updated. Okay. So the stop loss is $24. Okay. Still 2 minutes to close this candle. If this candle closes in the downward direction, then it's our chances of our trade that will work is more than 80%, guys. If this closes in red and in the downward direction, then these buyers got trapped, and these buyers have their stop losses at this area, guys. Now $14 stop loss. I just keep my stop loss at. So there is nothing to lose in this trade. Now I just have to wait for my target. So this is the power of waiting. Let's see. Let's just wait for the target to hit. Otherwise, there is nothing to lose in this trade. If this reverses, then our trade will cut at the cost to cost. But if it works, then we'll get our target. So market has been trying for quite some time, like for an hour or so, for yeah, for 3 hours actually, so 2 hours actually, but it is not able to break the green zone. But finally, this good red candle closes at this area. That's where I took some kind of risk, and right now I'm enjoying $140 profit, which is unrealized profit actually. Came back to $86, guys. Closing is not that good, guys, but still, candle closed in red. Chances of this trade works will be 50%, 60%. It totally depends. Chances are 60% actually, but if it want to trap us, then we can't do anything. You have to accept our stop loss. Okay, trying again. Just looking at the brokerage. Okay, brokerage is empty still. It's kind of giving nervousness when market starts to pause. Pause means giving some time to the opposite party to think, which is very bad in this market. You not to you are allowed you are not allowed to think actually. You are allowed to perceive emotions only, to include emotions rather than other than that nothing. And one more thing that I can see over here is this is where market is taking support, and this is the second candle the market. So the bias shifted from here to here. uh, if this gives the indication to big buyers, then might be there is a buy or there is a trap of these sellers. Anything can happen, guys. Early time frame, as you can see, the chances that market can touch this area is quite high, and we have this buying zone as well. So market can touch this buying zone once again, at least test this buying zone because these red candles are quite good. So the chances that market can have a good can give us a target is quite high actually. If it doesn't, then it's a bad luck goal. That's it. Unusual buying, guys. What is happening? Gold. Gold is sideways, guys. Gold is extremely sideways, guys. No trading zone. Bitcoin can give this trade, but if Bitcoin wants to trap us, then we can't do anything. This is actually a good candle that is closing. Okay, do whatever you want to do, man. Oh shit. Nice, 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 nice. Target is about to hit, guys. Let me just put my stop loss over here. This candle is going to close in 1 minute and 20 seconds. Come on, come on, Bitcoin. 50 more points. Let me just keep this target over here. Yep. 40 more seconds to close this candle. Come on. Come on, candle. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Why it is pausing? Come on. Come on. Bitcoin. Don't do this, yaar. Four more seconds. Yeah, it will take. It will test my patience, guys. It will test my patience. All right, it's fine, guys. I think we have logged $104, but our target is this $300 benchmark, and this Bitcoin have potential to reach that target. It's quite weird if it reverses from in between actually. So I feel betrayed actually. But let's see. Let's see. Guys, only 40 points. And this 40 points feels like a mile. Miles to go actually. Come on! Come on, Bitcoin, only 30 more points. Come on, come on. 1 minute to close this candle. 40. Oh shit. I'll not book. I'll not book. Either I will stop out at 104 or I will go for $300. I'll not go in between actually. Squared off successfully. We did it, guys. We did it. Why it is showing $236 only? Where did it booked? 236. Why? Why it booked 236? I have just marked as 300, right? Let me see my stream again. What just happened? Let me just copy this. Oh, right. All right. Alrighty, that's the end of the session, guys. So it is quite off very quickly that my system won't detect it as a $300. It just basically it went to $300, but the speed is quite fast of this price action that my order squared off at $236. So it touched the target line that triggered the square of order, square of action actually, and the time it took to complete that action, and the meanwhile price just decreased a little bit. So it's quite fast. Even the system not able to comprehend it. All right, man. So the logic of this trade is this area is actually being prevented. So let me show you what is happening. At early time frame, you can just see market is going up in up direction. But when you come to the smaller time frame, you can just see that market is at the smaller time frame, market is falling actually. Like it's already been gone up now. It's taking the pause or pullback in the higher time frame, but it smaller time frame, it looks like that market is rested and taking a pullback. So this is what actually gave the such us opportunity that this is the support zone and this is also the support trend line, and this can be treated as a pause or a selling area, which is not that strong selling area but still a selling area. So we waited a lot here and we are not convinced enough to go in the up direction, so that's we just waited enough. Uh, if if market if price action crosses this zone, this red zone, easily, then there's a momentum in the up direction and we have jumped in the up direction, seeing that market is going in the up direction and there is a momentum in the up direction also. Now what happened here is, after this trend line break, this is basically so many buyers are there in this trend line, and this actually made them in the panic situation. Though market still took support from this selling area and tried that still there is a chance that market can go in the direction because they are sellers, sorry, they are buyers at this green zone. So I mark this as a green zone because they are frequent buyers at this area as well. At the same time, they are seller as well as this red area. So though market tried a second attempt in the up direction, but these sellers tried to push the market in the downward direction. twice. Then this candle makes me convinced a little bit more in the downward direction. The market can make a move in the downward direction. Then I waited for this candle actually, that it is taking support or not from here. I should have waited for this candle as well. Or thought, then I seen that after this candle closing is quite good. Then at this particular moment of time, I am a little bit convinced that if the closing of this candle is quite good and in the downward direction, and this is full body candle, the follow up candle may break this zone, and this will create more panic in these buyers, and they might start to square up their position. So I jumped here over here. It got a little bit support at this area, which also panicked me. But fortunate enough that there is a selling pressure and that break this, then it spent some time in the selling direction, um keeping the fear alive in these buyers, and then eventually it went to our quick scalp. Now this is a profit booking and the support from this green area actually. So this is what happened here. All right, we had a one quick scalp in 1 hour and 35 minutes. So making money is quite hard actually. Anyway, so all right, but if you see in Indian rupees, if I actually trade, and if I am full time trader, if I am trading with real money, then guys, in 1 hour and 35 minutes, if I convert it to the INR, then this is actually 236. I'm talking about 236 only. Let me see that how much brokerage is there. $31. So $200 in approximately. $200 means 20 near to 20,000 rupees in India. 20,000 rupees in 1.5 hour. That's it, guys. That's the power of trading. Crazy amount. All right, guys. So I will see you tomorrow, and till then you can just do whatever you want to do. So I'll see you tomorrow. Today's a good session. We patiently waited for a setup, and we traded where we wanted actually. So that's quite good. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.